Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host Ulises Herrera. Today is November 15th, Monday, 1:42 p.m. at the time of this recording in California time. So guys, like, subscribe, hit the notification bells if you want to get somebody else's opinion on what is going on in the cryptocurrency market. We are not right all the time, we are right most of the time, and nobody can be right 100% of the time. But if you want to hear somebody else's opinion, check our channel out. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Litecoin, some of the major cryptocurrencies, guys. We're going to talk about Shiba because everybody loves talking about Shiba. So let's get to it, guys. So overall, the sentiment on the market is that, guys, we've been pumping so much on all the cryptocurrency market that eventually we have to come back down for a pullback to retest some major support levels. So on the one-day chart, guys, we are looking out for Bitcoin. Bitcoin still seems to be decently strong on the one-day chart. As you can see, obviously we're not at the RSI all-time high on the one-day chart, but we are midway to up there. Now on the 4-hourly, guys, we are breaking below basically support levels, guys. We were within this rising channel right here. As you can see, we were respecting this the whole time, and now we broke above it at 60, almost 69,000, and we've pretty much come back down severely to retest some of the lower support levels. So right now we are breaking below the 50-day moving average, which was at 65,000, and it looks like we may be retesting the 200-day moving average, which is what I was saying in the past couple of days in my past couple of videos, that we were probably going to retest some of these major support levels, guys. We were likely going to retest 62,000. That's what I said on my last video, and it's coming obviously into fruition. So if Bitcoin doesn't hold right now, it's definitely, I would think that we're definitely going to retest the 62,500 level. If we cannot hold that, the next point of support is strongly at 59 to 60,000, guys. So on the 1 hourly, it looks like we're still kind of dumping, but it looks like it's kind of towards the bottom of the dump. So could we keep going down more on the 1 hour? Probably a little bit more, but it looks like we've had quite a dip already as it is. So we have this right here on the next couple of hours. Let's see, we have this channel right there, and we have another channel forming right here. So it looks like we could start to see Bitcoin try to break back into this channel and then retest maybe 66,000. But if it doesn't hold, guys, the next point of support once again would probably be right here. Let's see, we have major support right here at 63,500. So, and if it doesn't hold that, then to me the next point of support would be around 62,500, which is what I've mentioned on the 4-hourly, guys. Right there, yeah, 62,500 at the 200. So let's look out for what's going on. Bitcoin obviously still on a pretty strong uptrend on the 1 hourly, but the steam is just not really there, guys. It's just not really there. Are we gonna go up to 70, 80,000 within the next couple of days? I'm having a hard time seeing that, and I've been calling that for the past couple of weeks. It's hard for me to see a major pump coming because we've used a lot of momentum and pump already as it is. So let's look out for Bitcoin retesting 62,500. So let's talk about Shiba Coin. Shiba Coin on the 4-hourly, guys, finding that support level. As I mentioned, remember we were like all the way down in the dumps, and right now we're trying to retest the 50-day moving average. And I mean, it looks like Shiba could once again try to retest coming back into this channel. Will it basically break above that? I don't know. I'll be honest with you, I don't think so, because we've gotten rejected here. We got rejected off of the 50 here last time. We're starting to hold the 50. Now we'll see if we can even break into or above 0.00063. Is it likely? I'm not sure, because the 1-day chart is completely overbought, as I mentioned a while ago, and we had that big dump. I mean, to me, it seems like Shiba Coin is exactly doing what I said, and it looks like it's holding right here, guys, at the 50 RSI, which is not a bad thing, obviously. Could we keep having a little bit more of a dump? Maybe, but it's holding pretty strong right here, guys. So maybe this could be a major support level for Shiba, where we're currently at right now, the 0.005 level, guys. So that's going to be very interesting to watch. Could we break below that? Certainly. Could we retest 0.0039? It's not out of the cards, guys. That's a major moving average. But we are fighting to stay above the bull market support band. Fighting. So if it stays above it on the one-day chart, that's obviously going to be ultimately good for the Shiba community. But if not, we're probably likely going to come down and retest the 50-day moving average, guys. Ethereum, same thing. Ethereum been riding all-time highs, guys. We've been riding really close to the sun with Ethereum. And obviously nothing can just go up forever, and so we're retesting major moving averages right here, slightly falling below 200. The next point of support is falling below the 50. Next point of support is the 200, guys. This channel has been very well respected. As you can see, we've been traveling within this channel for the past couple of weeks, and right now it's really gonna retest this channel, guys. If that channel doesn't hold, that would be very interesting, because that would signal obviously there's more weakness coming into Ethereum. But it looks like it may possibly hold. We may be breaking slightly below it and then coming back down into the channel. That's a possibility, guys. So overall, on the time frames, on the big picture, the 1 day, I still think Ethereum is completely overbought. And I'm waiting for a dip, and I am not buying at the all-time highs, guys. I'm not. And it's funny, look at this. Remember, I did this a couple of days ago, a couple videos ago. I said, look, if Ethereum breaks below this line, my line, which it was probably up here at the time, this purple line, I said, look, if it breaks below it, we're definitely going to tank more. And look how, I mean, guys, go back and watch my video. Look exactly how when we bounced, guys. We bounced right on top of this line. That purple line was not there before, guys. That purple line was way up here, and I said if it does break below this, it's not a good thing. Do I think eventually it's going to break below it? Yes. But right now it's holding strong, which is very interesting to watch, guys. But yeah, overall on the 4-hourly, I'm looking out for an Ethereum price of maybe slightly below 4,300 or around 4,300. And if we just don't hold, you know, this line, the next point of support is 4,200, around 4,285. That should be interesting to watch. So the 1-hourly, Ethereum still looks like it could keep dumping a little bit more, but trying to find support on this line right here, guys, which has been obviously once again respected here, and you know, respected many times before. So we'll see what happens in the next couple of hours and days. But overall, Ethereum to me is still overbought on the big time frame, the 1 day, and I'm waiting for a dip, guys. I am waiting for a dip so I can buy. Let's go to Cardano. Cardano, same thing, not looking super strong right now. Cardano is really being rejected by the 50-day moving average on the 1 day time frame. We had that pump that took us to about $2.37, and then we got rejected off of my line here, which is exactly what I said would happen. I said, look, if we break above this line, then we'll go up, but if not, we're gonna get rejected. And we broke below it and got rejected because we just don't have the strength right now. On the 4-hourly, Cardano, not looking super strong either. It's falling below the 200 and the 50, which is obviously not a great thing, because when that happens, you tend to get more dumps. So I mean, there is a possibility that Cardano will be retesting $1.90. That's not out of the cards, guys. Eventually, we're gonna retest those, but overall, Cardano is not at a terrible price to be accumulating, guys. Excuse me, sorry about that. So let's see what happens within the next couple of days. Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin once again still looking pretty weak. Bouncing off the excuse me. Sorry, I was like stuttering here. Off the 50-day moving average, and which is a good thing, obviously. But can it hold the 50? if it doesn't hold a 50, the next point of support is 21 cents, but we haven't seen that in a while. So maybe we'll retest 24 cents and maybe get a bounce off of that. But which is overall a good thing, because we're making higher lows on Dogecoin, but we definitely need a break above 34 cents on Dogecoin to really start to see some positive price action movement, because we've been stuck here for a while, guys. Very stuck. We got rejected here and got rejected here. Could we go again and get rejected again? Maybe. Or we could just break above, but time will tell. Thank you very much for watching, guys. You can always get out of the rat race too. The total crypto market cap right now is 2.7 trillion, and Bitcoin dominance is probably gonna be pumping up in the next couple of days, because we are slightly below, we are slightly on the floor. So to me, it seems like it can only go up and maybe go down a little bit, but eventually just keep going up. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next one.